Hello and welcome to episode 4 of NoCodeNerd. So, today we're talking about another website builder. This one is a little bit unique though. It's actually very unique. It is called Universe, and I absolutely love Universe. I'm currently working with Universe for the exclusive reason that I adore them. Universe lets you build websites using your phone. Now, in the last episode, we talked about a tool called Wizard, which lets you prototype little app wireframes just using pictures. Beautiful, right? But Universe, I'll show you a prototype that I built. Actually, it's a fully functional website. It lets you build fully functional websites with like selling capabilities, e-commerce capabilities, content, blog structures, embedded newsletters, everything. All for mostly for free. If you're on the free plan, you get access to most of that, and all of it unbelievably easily. And all the websites. This website is a great example of what something looks like when you build on Universe, right? It's going to be pressed to the middle because it's highly mobile optimized. I'm able to build way better websites on Universe for mobile than I am on any other tool. And I've tried almost every other tool out there. If you want to build a mobile website, make it highly mobile optimized and just make it this beautiful mobile experience, highly recommend you use Universe. And it's so cool. I can build a website while I'm on the bus on the way downtown to get lunch, right? It's crazy. I love mobile accessible prototyping applications, and this is just a beautiful thing. Unfortunately, it is only available for Apple users. So if you have a Mac or you have an iPhone, then you can use it. But if you're Android or Windows, you are a little bit out of luck. But great tool. Link is down below, as always. Highly recommend you try out Universe, if nothing more than if not more than to just prototype ideas that pop into your head, right? It's so easy just to throw something up and get it out into the world while you're just out and about, right? You don't need to wait till you get home. You can just build it right there. So, highly recommend Universe. This is an example of something I built. I'm going to change this font. It's a little bit hard to read, but this is enerd.co, and I'll link this down below too as a good example. It's a little introduction thing. I have a little subscribe page here. Let's get to learning. It is a simple online course on the basics of entrepreneurship that I threw together. I built it on my live stream. It took me 3 hours overall, including filming the videos. It's obscenely easy to use these kind of things. And you swipe to the right when you're on mobile to go to lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5. One more quick lessons. I talk about my stuff, and boom, an embedded newsletter. Such a cool tool. I absolutely adore Universe. I highly recommend you go check it out if you want to build a website or you want to start prototyping the ideas that are in your head. So, I'll see you on the next episode.